Ready to transform your fitness journey? Strength training isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's a science that combines technique, strategy, and dedication. In the next 10 minutes, we'll break down the essentials of strength training, from foundational principles to advanced techniques. Let's dive into how you can build muscle, increase strength, and achieve your fitness goals. Let's start with the fundamentals. Strength training is designed to improve your muscle strength and endurance. Here's what you need to know. Resistance. Strength training involves lifting weights or using resistance bands to challenge your muscles. The goal is to create enough resistance to stimulate muscle growth. Repetitions and sets. A repetition, rep, is one complete movement of an exercise. A set is a group of repetitions. For example, doing 10 reps of squats is one set. Beginners should start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per exercise. Progressive overload. To build muscle, you need to gradually increase the weight or resistance over time. This principle, known as progressive overload, ensures continuous improvement and prevents plateaus. Understanding these basics sets the stage for more advanced techniques. Let's dive deeper into how to effectively plan and execute your strength training routine. Now, let's explore some key exercises. Compound exercises. These work multiple muscle groups at once and are essential for building overall strength. Examples include the squat, deadlift, and bench press. They engage major muscle groups and are great for functional strength. Isolation exercises. These target specific muscles. For instance, bicep curls focus on the biceps, while tricep extensions target the triceps. These are useful for addressing muscle imbalances and enhancing muscle definition. Form and technique. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Always maintain good posture, engage your core, and use controlled movements. Mastering these exercises will provide a solid foundation for both beginner and advanced lifters. Narrator. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to level up with advanced techniques. Drop sets. This involves performing an exercise until failure, then reducing the weight and continuing for more reps. It's a great way to push your muscles beyond their usual limits. Supersets. This technique involves doing 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest in between. For example, you might perform a set of bench presses followed immediately by a set of push-ups. Supersets increase workout intensity and efficiency. Periodization. This is a systematic approach to training that involves changing your workout routine periodically to prevent plateaus and overtraining. It includes phases like hypertrophy, strength, and power. Incorporating these strategies can help break through plateaus and achieve new levels of strength. Strength training isn't just about what you do in the gym. Recovery and nutrition are key components. Rest and recovery. Muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Ensure you get enough sleep and incorporate rest days into your routine. Active recovery, like light stretching or yoga, can aid in muscle recovery. Nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Protein is particularly important for muscle repair and growth. Consider including lean meats, eggs, and legumes in your diet. Hydration. Staying hydrated supports overall performance and recovery. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Prioritizing recovery and nutrition will enhance your strength training results and overall fitness. Here are some final tips to maximize your strength training success. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's building muscle, increasing strength, or improving endurance. Setting specific goals helps tailor your workouts and stay motivated. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal to monitor your weights, sets, and reps. Tracking progress helps you stay on course and make necessary adjustments. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to your training schedule and make adjustments as needed. Progress may take time, but perseverance will pay off. Seek professional guidance. If you're unsure about your form or program, consider working with a certified personal trainer. They can provide personalized advice and ensure you're on the right track. With these strategies, you're well equipped to take your strength training to the next level. Remember, success in strength training comes from a mix of knowledge, effort, and consistency. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about nutrition, fitness, sleep and more, download our What the Health app from the App Store. The link is in the video description.